Unlock secure banking and shield yourself from fraud by mastering your Natwest card reader in under 90 seconds. First, locate your Natwest card reader. It's a small, portable device, often with a screen and a keypad. When you log into your Natwest online banking, you'll typically be asked to enter your username. After entering your username on the website, your card reader will then prompt you to enter your memorable information, like your date of birth, on its keypad. Once you've entered your memorable information, press the green Confirm button. Now, look at your card reader screen. It will display a security code. This unique code is generated specifically for your current transaction. Carefully enter this code into the corresponding field on your Natwest online banking page on your computer. Hit Confirm on your laptop, and voila! You've just completed a secure transaction using your Natwest card reader, keeping your accounts safe. Remember, always use your card reader for sensitive online banking activities to protect yourself from unauthorized access and fraud.